Hello, welcome to our channel Learning Fun Zone. My name is Harshada and let us start with today's video. We will be learning Scratch programming today. So, what are the topics we will learn today? We will learn the overview of Scratch and its interface, how to create an account and log in into Scratch, the four main areas of Scratch interface: code area, stage area, sprites pane, and sound pane. Creating custom sprites and backgrounds, using loops, conditions, and variables in Scratch, animation and game design introduction in Scratch. So let's get started. Today, we will learn about Scratch programming. In this video, we will give you an overview of Scratch and its interface, its powerful features, and how you can use them to develop creative stories, animations, games, music, and art. Let's get started. Scratch is a programming language and online community developed by the Lifelong Kindergarten School at the MIT Media Lab. It allows users to create animations, games, interactive stories, and more by dragging and dropping code blocks without the need for typing out the code. Scratch is designed for children and beginners, but it can be used by people of all ages and skill levels. To use Scratch, you need to create an account on the Scratch website. Here's how to do it. Go to the Scratch website, scratch.mit.edu. Click on Join Scratch button in the top right corner of the screen. Fill in the registration form with your username, password, and birth date. Provide an email address and agree to the terms of service. Click on Sign Up button to create your account. Once you have created your account, you can log in by clicking the Sign In button in the top right corner of the screen and by entering the and I have login. Let us see the overview of Scratch interface. There are four parts of the Scratch interface. First one is the code area. You have to write the scripts, create interactive programs in the code area. Stage area, we develop and design the visual interface of the project. And sprites pane is where we import or create custom characters for the project. Sound pane adds and manages sounds to the project. Is where you can write the scripts. This is the script. We can drag and drop whatever code. Stage area is where you develop and design the interface over here. Sprite pane is where you import custom characters, right? Or you can create. So here, sprite area, you can. This is the by default sprite one, picture of a cat. Choose different types of sprites over here. Can be as creative as you can. Add sprites. You can even draw your own sprites. Uh, Add their costumes. Sound pane is where you have to add the sound by default one. Here you can add for backgrounds as well. You can design your background. You can choose the build. So as we discussed, we have sprites and backgrounds and animation. So we can create custom characters from the sprites pane. You can add the backdrops and background. and then you can do animation with the help of the loop blocks and motion blocks. Now, using loops and conditions in Scratch, let's see all these two examples in Scratch. Program background for background, back backdrop purple, backdrop yellow. We have defined and we are switching backdrop right. You can see this bubbling sound. You can hear this bubbling sound, and you can see three fish, two fish, one purple fish, and yellow octopus. Discussed, we have already seen like we can create animations with motion, look, and sound block. Can between the sprites and use this for game design. You can add different levels to this with Scratch gaming features. As a conclusion, have a brief overview of Scratch programming. You have learned how to develop stories, animations, and games and art using Scratch programming. You have discovered the Scratch interface and its commands and its powerful features. We hope this tutorial has given you this good introduction to Scratch, and we encourage you to start creating your own projects. If you want to learn more, you can also explore other programming concepts with Scratch. Get inspired by browsing and remixing other Scratch projects. Learn more about programming language. Thanks for watching. Happy programming. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.